This is mini maker waffle. Let's open the package. So what's this? Alright, it is a recipe guide. Oh my god. I can't believe that they gave you a really good design and good looking recipe guide. Perfect. This waffle maker is tiny. Alright. Here are the metal. And I think the bottom is plastic. The color is great and the size is tiny, but you know, you can make one waffle at a time, so it's kind of fun. I just want to plug this one in. So now I'm going to plug this one in. It probably won't easy to see because I got very strong light. Now it's actually heating up, but make sure that you don't touch on the side because the side is exposing. You see the side right here, they're the hot surfaces, so make sure you don't touch it. You only can touch the handle right here. Now I can see a little bit smoky now coming out. So when it reached a certain degree, it will stop the light. Now the light is still on. So after light is stopped, you spray some cooking oil and then put the liquid in and close the lid. So it didn't say that how long it takes to cook a waffle. Oh, I hear another sound. Now the light is off. Now you can spray the cooking oil and put a waffle material inside and then close the lid. On the instruction, he didn't show you that how long it takes to cook a waffle. It just say that to your preference. So I think you need to try several times to find your perfect one. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.